What's up, guys? So finally, we have a big guy here. I don't mean a big guy this much, but being a big guy in the company. He's a CCO of Investlo, and it's very hard to get him here. So I got him here now. So we're going to talk to him more what you can expect from Investlo and what is the future of Investlo. So we can talk to him so you can get to know more about the company. Thank you so much for giving us time.
Thank you, Omar. Thank you for having me here with you. I need to get it up, right?
Yeah. Like this a little bit. So a little bit up.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So what we can what the audience can expect from Investlo, and how do you see Investlo in the future, and why the people can trust us?
Okay. Past 4 years that Investlo was working in the market, providing services in the market, we had a lot of growth and a lot of achievement for Investlo. But especially, I can say in 2026, in 2025, we work a lot in some infrastructure updates for Investlo, product update for Investlo, new instruments, new spreads, and also we got a new license for the Investlo. So
New
this
license?
year, yes, new license, new platform,
Oh, great.
different spreads, some interesting updates for the traders. So I can say this year, with the change that are coming on Investlo, Investlo clients will be surprised.
Oh, great.
New
So
platform, new
I love
client
I love the
area.
interface. Yeah.
Yes, it's it was very dedicated work that our team did
Yes, I can
to
see that.
just to improve the services for the clients. So basically, it's all done because of the clients to have better condition and better, I can say,
Execution,
execution always
speed,
was good.
speed. Yeah.
Execution in Investor always was good, but in terms of new platform, new licenses, new client area,
Yeah.
all this we made it possible for the convenient of the clients to have
convenience of the client.
more comfortable
Environment in the
and wide choices in Investor.
that's a good thing, that's what the client need, because they need quick executions and they need quick customer support. Your customer support team is good as well. I've chat with the support. They are also very quick to get back to you. It's not
Yes.
like an AI support, right? It's a human support.
No, it's human support, and I can say based on the data I have, we are 4 second average answering
Answering the
time
call.
on the live chat.
Oh, that's awesome.
I hope we work a lot in the company. We work a lot to provide the new updates to the client and the user of the Investlo. This year, we will have the updates available for the clients, hopefully by end of January.
How about the education? You provide education as well. Like, I know I also.
Of course, in different languages and different regions, you are
I'm also here.
yes,
Yeah.
you are involved in that part, and you know how
Yeah.
dedicated the brand is regarding providing education and the materials that client needs to be more successful in financial markets.
Education is very important always, as you know. And first, I always say first to learn and then earn.
Exactly, that's true.
Thank you so much, Afshin, for your time. I know your time is very important, but it's very important for the audience to get to know the team as well, and especially the top guy in the company. You gave us a time. I'm sure the audience, they have a good confidence now in the company.
Thank you, Omar, for having me.
My pleasure.
And I hope everyone enjoys new updates with Investlo. Trade with confidence in Investlo and use the hard work of Investlo brand, Investlo team to provide such services and make a success in financial markets.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're
Speak to you
welcome.
and see you
Have a
soon
good
next time. Thank you.
See you.
What's up, guys? Hope you're all doing great. It's me, your coach again, and it's day 2 here for the podcast. So today we have Moyo Dada from Sales and Business Development, and he look after the African region. Like I promised you, if I'm representing a broker, someone, then it's very important that you know the team and I get familiar. So I know all of them now. So we're going to talk to Moyo Dada, and he will give you a brief introduction.
So thank you for having me. It's an absolute pleasure to meet you.
My pleasure.
We heard so much about you.
Thank you.
Yes. So going straight into it, my name is Moyo, and I work with the African region here in Investlo.
In Westlow. How long you been here for? Like
I've been working here since 2004, May.
since 2004.
2024.
2020.
And it's been a really rewarding journey. So what we've been doing is we've been trying to focus on building the Africa market from ground up. There's a lot of interest in trading in Africa.
Oh, is it?
Yes,
Ah.
absolutely. And we've been working to, develop this.
So you, I spoke to you like in the office before. So you also said that you also having an educator in Africa who like educate you, like whoever joins Investlo from Africa. So they also get education there. As well?
Absolutely. So our process flow is quite simple. We opened our nets, our fishing nets wide. Our idea is to get on board people that look to want to trade or
Yeah.
people that are trading and need some support. So basically, we have an educator who opens up his net for all intending traders, and we take them through the process from beginners to intermediate
So
traders. Yes, sir.
that's very good. In this business, we need to have someone who can really, teach you the strategies first, because it's a risky business, and very important that he also have an educator in Africa. So, of course, if you join Investlo, you're from Africa, and then you're gonna get education first, which is you guys know that I always press you guys to first learn and then earn. So, is that education is free for you people there?
Absolutely, it's completely free. Our only requirement is that the intending person opens a trading account with Investlo.
Yeah.
Of course, no need to make a deposit. And all they need to do is to reach out to us on our social media platforms. You can reach out to us on Facebook, Investlo_Africa.
Yeah.
On Instagram, Investlo_Africa as well.
Okay.
We respond typically within minutes, and
Within
we'll be there
minutes.
to attend to you.
So
Absolutely.
once they join the socials, then your team can get in touch and they
Absolutely.
can provide-
From the socials, my team will do the hand holding all the
Yeah.
way to the trading stage.
Oh, perfect. So yeah, we had a we have Moyo Dada here. So I hope you guys are getting value out of these little podcasts. Like I promised you that I'm gonna bring up lots of content. So here we are, and thank you so much for giving us time.
Pleasure is absolutely all mine. It's an absolute pleasure to finally meet you.
Thank you so
look
much.
forward to more business.
Definitely.
Take
Thank
good
you.
care. Thank you.
Right, guys. Now we have Kalia here. She's head of commercial operations here at Investlo. So we're gonna do a small chat with her, just a brief introduction of the team, and that's all, guys. Right, Kalia. Thank you so
Hi.
much for giving us
You're
a
welcome.
few minutes.
Thank you
Good
for
time.
giving me this opportunity.
My pleasure. It's always a pleasure. So how what is your job here in Investlo? What do you do, and how long you been in the industry for?
Well, I've been in the industry for 12 years, let's say. I've
Long
been
time.
through all the departments, so I'm bringing this knowledge in the operations department. Generally, we check all the functionalities, the KYC if it's going okay. with
Okay,
fraud,
KYC is
default,
under you.
everything.
Oh.
Not specifically under
But
me,
you
but we monitor to see if
Monitor
they
to
need
see.
something is needed. If they have an issue with, let's say, maybe the website, or a client comes on the live chat and they need assistance on the spot, we will be there to help
so
them.
you look after all the
We look
main
after
stuff.
all the operations, and we assist the clients in the best way possible.
Perfect. Yeah, that's it. I just wanted to. It's just a brief chat, just a quick chat with you. So thank you so much,
You're welcome.
and I'll see you soon again in
Thank
Cyprus.
you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you too. Right, guys. So that was a quick introduction of the team here at Investlo. So basically, guys, my job is to get yourself familiar with someone you are trading with, and they're in the market from 2020, and I have an account with them since 2020 as well. And that's all I can do, guys. Then it's totally your own choice if you want to choose them. That's all I can do. I've met the other brokers. You can also see that link in the description. But specifically in the office, I came here to Cyprus. They invited me here. I met them. The team, the big guys, and now it's totally your own choice. If you want to join them, do your own research. If you feel comfortable, join them. If not, that's totally your own decision, guys. So that's my job, to provide you a message. I hope you got the message, and I'll try to bring more content like this, more educational content like this, some more vlogs. I hope you like the vlog as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video in analysis part. You guys take care and have an awesome day ahead.